Morning workout. Na lange tijd doe ik dit weer. Ja, it's good gains man. Roederbaan. Het is december, maar ik train nog. Boy. Welcome back to my channel. This is my cardio workout. It's a fat burning workout. You can do this workout every day to burn a lot of fat. Even you're a beginner, you can start this workout without equipment. So right now this is my warming up. I like to do warming ups before my workouts, and this is the handstand. I want to achieve the handstand before 2021. Yeah, let's get it, man. Enjoy the workout. Subscribe to my channel. I switched my language to English. I used to speak Dutch, but I switched my language. Yeah, sometimes I hold the handstand for a few seconds, but sometimes I fail at it. Okay, let's start the workout. The workouts begin. So right now I do jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are great for cardio. The next exercise is also a cardio workout. This is also great for cardio. You can burn a lot of fat if you want to be shredded. Okay, the next exercise is squats. You can also do squats. You can do 15 reps of 4 sets. Okay, the next exercise is explosive squats. The jumping squats, aka explosive squats. You can do the same 15 reps, 4 sets. The next exercise is lunges. You can do 15 reps of 4 sets. This exercise is shoulder tap. You can burn a lot of fat with it. The same 50 reps, 3 sets. And then switch to push-up. You can do 50 reps of 2 sets push-ups. Okay, the next exercise is explosive push-up. You can build a lot of explosive strength with this exercise. You can burn more calories. You can get shredded. Yeah, you can get shredded if you burn a lot of fat. This exercise is also great for your upper body strength. You can do 50 reps of 3 sets. Also, this exercise is great. You can do 50 reps of 4 sets. Okay, the next exercise is mountain climbing. I did like 20 reps, high reps, low sets. You can do 20 reps of 2 sets. Okay, that was the workout. Full body burnout workout, fat burnout workout. You can do this everywhere. Subscribe, like if you enjoyed the video. Till next time. Let's go. Gains. That's the workout, man. Hard work pay off. ben nu klaar met mijn workout.